Well, I got a little ahead of myself. I already loosened up the clamp bolt. I already started the upper bracket bolt. And my buddy here is going to take over the filming as I rip this thing apart in a matter of seconds. Brand new bike, less than 1,200 miles. And look at this. It's a little hot. Off, done.
Done.
Guy talking about a half hour. This guy talking about a half hour. They call it slip-on. Slip-on, my man. Here's the new one.
Holy shit.
Here's the new one. We go like this. Bloop. Nice. I think that's the way we should do it. What do you think about
It's
that?
out. It's out.
Huh?
It's out there.
That's the no ground clearance exhaust.
Word.
Here's your bracket. That's the infamous bracket. Here's the official Yoshimura spring hook tool, which I will not be using at this point. This is for future, for here and here.
Okay. Okay.
Clamp. We use clamp. I love lamp.
Brand new clamp.
Brand new clamp. I love lamp. The stupid gasket is like the worst part of this clamp, but once you get it on,
The rubber part.
it's pretty straightforward. Yep.
Yep.
Go like this. Nice. Do a little twist. Support with your knee. And I think we are backwards. Always check for fitment first. I don't think it goes this way either. It only goes one way. Sorry, folks. It only fit one way.
Line it up. Goes behind it.